Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Kim and I have a haul to share with you today. It is a Graphic 45 collection from Country Craft Creation. It is called Hip Hip Hooray, and it's one of those collections that when you see it, you're like, I gotta have it. So I'm going to go through the paper collection with you. I have this, I have the solids, what do they call that? Patterns and solids, and then I have two embellishment packages that I'll show you. But I couldn't wait to see this in person. These little rabbits and mice, little creatures are so cute. So let's take a look. I have not gone through the paper yet, so this is the first time for me seeing it also. So this first one is Best Day Ever, and you've got your postcards and good places to do some journaling. Again, the little animals are so cute with the rabbits and the teddy bear. I think that's an otter. Some gifts, and then on the other side you have 4x6s, so birthday, just a cute little squirrel hanging out by the tree. Again, the otter, you have a cat. I'm not real thrilled with cats, but this one's kind of cute. Hip Hip Hooray banner on the tree, Best Day Ever, just super cute. All right, so you get two of them so that you can use the front and the back. So here we have lots of love, and we've got a green background with white polka dots, and it looks like stamps. So you see all the cute little critters around here. Best Day Ever. These are this is a really cute birthday collection. We have some cute little banners called Better Together. So this must be the B side, but I love banners. I like using punches to make banners. So this really is cute to me. And then we have a stripe, and it has some sayings in between on some of them. It looks like they're stitched. Okay. We have Enjoy the Little Things. So we've got confetti on one side. And, oh, this is so cute. Like the border strips. And they're at different widths. So we've got a real thick one up here with the scenery. Birthday scene with the animals, the gifts, and then another birthday scene. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Here is Celebrate With Me. So just orange with a little bit of cream color with it, showing the presents and the balloons. And then here's like a colored version with the confetti in the background, the balloons, and the presents. Okay, got a couple more. This is Make a Wish. So now we have the country blue on one side and 3x4s on the other side. And I plan to use every single 3x4. They're so cute. I really like this little rabbit, this guy here. And that bear's pretty cute too. Okay, maybe one or two more. So this one is Friends Forever. Now we have the green. Oh my gosh, how do you not look at this and think I love it? They're just so little cutesy little animals. And I'm not even really an animal person, and I think it's cute. Yeah, I can't wait to make a birthday book of some sort. And I believe this is the last one. It's called Hip Hip Hooray, and this must be the cover sheet. Ta-da! That is so cute. I love it. I would like to keep like this part together, but that's too big of a book for me. And there's stitching here, so I might have to kind of decide how I'm going to use that. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so that's the collection. I might as well show you the patterns and solids. So to help stretch out your collection a little bit when you're making your album. So we have like a denim blue, and it looks like a little bit of a weave or cloth look to it. And here's the confetti on this side. How many of these do we have? Okay, So one of each, or two of those, so that one is this side and the other one is the plain blue. Now we have another blue, like a denim blue, but on this side we have the animals. Then we have a green piece. And on the other side, a stripe that looks stitched. And these are like watercolor looks to them. And then on this green, we've got the presents and the balloons. So next we have yellow. That's a real pretty lemon yellow with polka dots. I always like polka dots. And then on this lemon yellow one, I bet it's like animals or something. Nope, I was wrong. Like pinwheels, like a quilt look to it. And then our orangish red with a stripe, looks like the green one was. And animals. So that will be awesome to help stretch my collection and to add calm things down a little bit. So now this is the part I've really been wanting to look at. So I got two ephemera assortment, and this is the tags, the chipboard tags and frames. So let's take a look at the frames first. I can't wait to see this. Okay. So this is just, shouldn't be there. So these tags are about, let me see here. Do I have a little ruler? Oh, I don't. So these measure about 2 3/4 inches long. Yep. Then you have some that are a little bit wider. This is almost 2 inches. I hope that's not too high that you can't see it. Critters, more tags, which is what I really wanted it for. And then it's got frames too, remember. Sayings, frames, more frames, more frames. That shouldn't be there. Get up, okay. There we go. A larger tag that says celebrate. Lots of love. And some little ones. Presents. And then confetti tags, or frames, excuse me. And then we have a hip hip hooray tag type thing. Okay, so that is the chipboard frames and tags. Adorable. So let me stick these back in there so I don't lose anything. Okay. Oh, I just love it. There's just certain collections that really stand out. The minute you see them, you're like, gotta have. This is one of them. Got my attention right away. Okay, so that's that. Now let me show you the ephemera. Ooh, this is quite a bit. I did not get the sticker sheet though, so I wanted a lot of ephemera. And sometimes when you have the stickers and the ephemera, one is smooth and shiny and one's not. So sometimes that kind of bothers me. So, all right, so these little holes poke out so they look like postage stamps. So those I'll have to go through with a pokey tool. And then here's some more stamps. Look at this big tree. Oh, that'll be cute on a cover and like lift it up with foam squares. Yeah. Present, the animal, the bear, that cat, mama bear, balloons, reading a story, or no, eating cake. This one has a lot more of the animals than the other one did. And then there's some sayings. Celebrate with me. Life is better with friends. There's another banner. XOXO. Gifts. A small tree. Gifts. Gifts. Little mouse. Little rabbit. Fence. Banner. So anyway, that I had to come on and show you because I think it is so cute. But there's other pieces that go with it too if you're interested. I'll link this below in the description box with links to Country Craft Creations because that's where it came from. Oh, so adorable. And while I'm thinking of it, when I was in Utah, I picked up a collection that I'll show you too. So I'll make another video for that one. But it was around Christmas time that I think well, I was there in October. So anyway, I'll get that out and take a look at it too, because I bought just about everything for the accessories. So, all right. So again, that's Graphic 45. It's called Hip Hip Hooray. It's from Country Craft Creations, and I'll link them below. I just wanted to share because I love it, and I thought you would too. All right. Thanks, everybody. See you soon.